Okay guys, reading passage 2, saving bugs to find new drugs. Wow, what a topic. Once you develop your interest in these type of scientific topics, you will enjoy IELTS reading, academic IELTS reading a lot. Once you develop interest, see that saving bugs to make new drugs. Now what are bugs? Insects. So what are they going to do? They are going to make drugs. Drugs means medicine. They are going to make medicine which is based on insects. So saving bugs to find new drugs. Zoologist Ross Piper looks at the potential of insects in pharmaceutical research. Now, are you clear about the passage? That this passage is about using insects for making medicine. That's it. Clear? Now we go to questions. Questions 14 to 20. Which paragraph contains the following information? Type A or B? B. And there are many questions, right? 14 to 22. How many? 7? 7 questions. So let's not touch them at the moment. Questions 21 and 22, double multiple choice questions. And questions 23 to 26, one word only. So where should we start from? Yes, absolutely. One word only. See, more type B questions in a test, that test is going to be really confusing and difficult. And more type A questions, you can find your way, right? So, complete the summary below. Whenever we've got summary completion, notes completion, flowchart completion, diagram completion, any completion type of question, the questions and answers are in order. Write your answers in boxes. Research at, what is that word? Aberist with university. Whatever it is. Okay, research at university. Don't try to read the difficult words, okay? So, research at university. Now, let's look for this university. Please come back. Let's look for this university. Paragraph? G. Wow. Yeah, paragraph G, and in the beginning they use the word. Now, what does it mean? All answers like 23, 24, 25, 26 are in one paragraph in order. They are going to be in one paragraph and they're going to be in order. Now, see that 4 questions, 1 paragraph, you can easily manage it in 5 minutes or 6 minutes. So, let's read question 23. Ross Piper, clue word is Ross Piper, and fellow zoologists at university are using their expertise in dash. In dash means area of studies. They are using their expertise in dash when undertaking bioprospecting with insects. So please come back. Paragraph G, I'm reading from the beginning. My colleagues and I. Now my colleagues means that Ross Piper. Ross Piper is using my for herself. And I think the whole passage is written by Ross Piper. Yeah, Ross Piper. Okay. So when she says my, it means Ross Piper. My colleagues and I at university in the UK have developed an approach in which we use our knowledge of. Now come back. Knowledge of ecology and their expertise in. Knowledge of expertise in, they are synonym in IELTS language. So the answer is ecology. Now it's not that some of you say answer is knowledge. If you write knowledge, it will not fit here. Expertise in knowledge, not clear. Okay, question number 24. They are especially interested in the compounds that insects produce to overpower and preserve their dash. Now, their means related to insects. Okay, let's read on. After ecology, as a guide to target our efforts, the creatures that particularly interest us are the many insects that secrete powerful poison for subduing prey. Now, powerful poison for subduing prey. Come back here. Overpower and preserve. Overpower means, what is the word for overpower? No, overpower means to control someone. Subdue is the word. Subdue is the word for overpower. So subdue, subduing prey, and overpower and preserve their prey. And this prey, P-R-E-Y, you know the word predator? right? And prey is something that they are going, like we use the word shikar for it, prey. So the correct answer is prey, not poison. Yeah, answer is prey. I tell you again, please follow me. Insects produce to overpower. Now, what is the word for compounds that insects produce? Come back. Very simple. Compounds that insects produce, for that they use the word poison. Poison is a compound that insects produce. Poison. And why do they produce it? For subduing prey and keeping it fresh for future consumption. By subduing prey, and for that they said overpower. Overpower means subdue and preserve their prey will be the right answer. Just underline these sentences, match them, later on read, practice, and you'll be clear. They are also interested in compounds. I'm reading question number 25. In compounds which insects use to protect themselves from pathogenic bacteria and fungi found in their dash. Now, clue word is bacteria and fungi found in their. There means what? Insects. So let's go back. Can you see the word bacteria? Yes. All right. So last 3 lines I'm going to read. Paragraph G, last 3 lines. These insects have many antimicrobial compounds for dealing with pathogenic bacteria. Did we use the word pathogenic bacteria? Yes, it's there. Got it? Now let's read on. And fungi. Now another clue word here. Suggesting that there is certainly potential to find many compounds that can serve as or inspire new antibiotics. New antibiotics. Now come back here. Fungi found in there. Now where did they find them? Fungi found in there. No, listen. Let's go back. Everyone, please come to paragraph G, 5th line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Paragraph G, 5th line. There are even more insects that are masters of... Okay, now let's see. There are even more insects that... Are you with me? Yes. Okay. There are even more insects that are masters of exploiting filthy habitats such as faces and carcasses, where they are regularly challenged by the thousands of microorganisms. And then they talk about these insects and bacteria and all that. Please come back to the question. They are also interested in compounds which insects use to protect themselves from pathogenic bacteria and fungi found in there. Now, where are these compounds found? Habitat. Come back here. Yeah. Filthy habitats. Have they used the word habitat anywhere else? No. So there are even more insects that are masters of exploiting filthy habitats such as these places regularly challenged by thousands of microorganisms. So these things are found in filthy habitats, and for that they use the word found in their habitats. Have you noticed one thing? Mosquitoes. What is their habitat? Dirty water. Contaminated water. Okay, some other insects, they also get attracted towards dirt. So correct answer here is bacteria and fungi found in their habitats. Now this time what happened? They talked about habitat first, and then later on they linked these things, bacteria and fungi found in their habitats. Question number 26. Piper hopes that these substances, now what do they mean by these substances? The poisons and these fungi, bacteria and all that. These substances will be useful in the development of drugs such as, development of drugs such as, now come back here, they used it here, to find many compounds that can serve as or inspire new antibodies. Now what is the word for drugs? Development of drugs. These insects have many antimicrobial compounds for dealing with pathogenic bacteria and fungi, suggesting that there is certainly potential to find many compounds that can serve as or inspire new antibiotics. Now, when we use the word antibiotics, we know it is a kind of drug, antibiotics. Okay.